Today we're going to explore using the Mesh tool in Adobe Illustrator. Using Mesh will allow you to apply very targeted gradients to vector shapes. I've locked all the layers that I'm not working in. The only layer that I'm going to add the gradient mesh to is the doll head layer, so that's the only one I have unlocked. So first, what I want to do is applying gradient mesh will knock out my outlines, so I'm just going to Option click and drag and make a duplicate of the doll's head. Then I'm going to select my mesh tool and click along the path, first along the bottom at different intervals until I've got longitude lines. Then I'm going to click along the path at the right and add latitude lines. It only works if you click directly along the path, and depending on what shape, I've got a sphere here, so it's very easy to click along the path to add in the longitude and latitude lines of the gradient. If you've got an odd shape, it might be a little bit more challenging to add the lines in. Once I've done that, I'm going to choose my direct select tool, and each point that I sample in here, I can add a different gradient to. I can also move the points if they're not exactly where I want them to be. So I'm going to hold down my Shift key. First I'm going to deselect. Hold down my Shift key to select those 2 points that I just moved. Then I'm going to sample, actually set my swatch color to fill, swatch chip, and then sample pink. And whatever color I sample in here, I mean, I'm just going to make like rosy cheeks, but whatever color I sample in the color panel is what's going to be applied into those areas. So if I want to work on the actual doll head, I can nudge that into place and keep applying gradients. If I think I want to add highlights to her chin area, holding down Shift, I can just select those points and sample a lighter color, and it will add in what looks like a highlight.